When everybody turns their back on you, when the very people you trusted stop believing in you, it feels lonely, doesn't it? It hurts when the ones you love look at you and say, "Why don't you just give up? Why don't you try something else?" But listen, the pain you feel right now, that's not your ending. It's the beginning of your transformation. Because diamonds are born under pressure, warriors are forged in battle, and legends only rise when the world tries to bury them. So don't you dare quit. Your silence today will become the roar of your story tomorrow. Every no you hear, every door that slams shut in your face, that's not rejection, it's redirection. Think about this. If you plant the seed of a mighty oak tree in a tiny 2-foot pot, it will never grow into the magnificent tree it was meant to be. It's not because there's something wrong with the seed, but because its environment was too small. Now, how many of us are trapped in small environments, surrounded by people who don't dream, don't grow, and don't believe? It's time to get away from them. Not because you hate them, but because your grand vision simply doesn't fit inside their pot. And when you start moving differently, people will call you strange, crazy, or arrogant. They'll laugh, they'll doubt, but that's how you know you're on the uncommon path. Every great leader, every champion, every dreamer, they were all called weird before they were called legendary. So don't expect people to understand your fire when they've never felt heat like yours. You might be broke right now. You might be exhausted. You might even feel like the universe has completely forgotten your name. But listen to me carefully. This is the test. This is the moment that separates the average from the unstoppable. When life tells you you can't, you need to whisper back, "Watch me." What if the very moment you feel like giving up is the moment right before your breakthrough? What if all the pain, all the sleepless nights, all the rejections, what if they were just the training you needed for the life you asked for? The universe doesn't give its greatest rewards to those who quit early. It reserves them for the ones who refuse to be denied. So yes, people will laugh. They'll call you crazy. They'll say you've lost your mind. But when you rise, when your dream becomes your reality, those same people will turn around and ask you how you did it. And you'll just smile, because you'll know the best revenge isn't anger, it's massive success. So keep going. Even when no one is clapping for you. Even when no one believes. Because one day, the world will replay your story again and again, just to feel what it's like to never give up. So let me ask you, are you still thinking about quitting, or are you finally ready to rise? If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. Thank you for watching.